Okay, me and my friend, Batesville, we decided
We're gonna eat deodorant.
we're gonna eat deodorant. I don't.
Any other way to say it?
Yeah, we're gonna drink that because it's nasty. We're listening to Lost Prophets. My favorite kind of deodorant. The nasty off-brand kind.
That is one bad off-brand too, dude. That red zone stuff, like the kind when you twist, it comes up in like those little square holes.
Ew.
Dude, I had a lid full of that. I made my friend Zach take his thumb and scrape all of it out. And that was a lot of deodorant. He put it in his mouth, dude. It was fucking the funniest thing I've ever seen. Alright, you ready?
What's the language?
Are you crazy?
Okay.
Are you freaking high? Apparently we are because we're about to eat deodorant.
Yummy.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. I don't really know how to. I don't know.
Here, yeah.
Stay.
I'm probably not even gonna be able to see this.
Deodorant. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You feel it? It's pretty nasty. I really don't know, dude. It's disgusting. It really no. It's not happening at all.
We just ate deodorant.